Teachers play an important role in the lives of children as role models. Children look up to their teachers and often emulate their behavior and attitudes. Here are some reasons why teachers can be great role models for kids. Inspire learning. Teachers inspire learning in children by demonstrating their passion for education and their love for their subject. They model a growth mindset and show students the value of hard work, perseverance, and dedication. Positive attitude. Teachers with a positive attitude can help to create a positive and supportive classroom environment. Children can learn the importance of positivity, kindness, and empathy by observing their teachers' behavior. Encourage respect. Teachers can also model respect for others and themselves, which can help children develop positive relationships with their peers and adults. Teach responsibility. Teachers can model responsibility. They can teach children the importance of taking ownership of their actions and being responsible for their own learning. Foster creativity. Teachers who are creative and open-minded can inspire children to think outside the box and explore new ideas. They can encourage children to be creative and express themselves through various mediums. In conclusion, teachers are role models and can inspire learning, demonstrate a positive attitude, encourage respect, teach responsibility, and foster creativity. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe Educary Hub.